Noodle Doodle.
The Bear and the Bee. Deep in the heart of the forest, where tall trees whispered secrets to the wind, lived a big, furry bear named Baloo. Baloo was kind-hearted but had one big problem: he was always sleepy. He loved honey more than anything, but getting it required effort, and that was something he wasn't too fond of. One bright morning, as Baloo lay under his favorite tree, he heard a tiny buzzing sound. It was a little bee named Buzz. "Hello, Baloo. Why do you always sleep so much?"
Baloo yawned. "Because sleeping is easy. Climbing trees for honey is hard."
Buzz laughed. "But don't you love honey?"
"Oh, I do. But I wish honey would just come to me without all that climbing."
Buzz thought for a moment and then smiled. "What if I help you get honey, and you help me with something in return?"
Baloo's ears perked up. "What do you need help with?"
"I want to build the biggest beehive in the forest, but carrying twigs and leaves is hard for me." "You're big and strong, you could help." Baloo scratched his head. "So, if I help you, you'll bring me honey?" "Yes." Buzz nodded. And so, the deal was made. Baloo used his big paws to gather the strongest twigs, while Buzz and his friends worked together to build a magnificent hive. In return, Buzz brought fresh honey straight to Baloo. From that day on, Baloo and Buzz became the best of friends. Baloo learned that helping others made life sweeter, just like honey. And Buzz learned that even the laziest bear could be a great friend if given the right reason to try.